So, the centrifugal flow compressor, has several advantages. These include a high pressure rise per stage, efficiency over a wide rotational speed range, simplicity of manufacture and low cost, low weight, and also low starting power requirements. But yeah, the centrifugal flow compressor does have its disadvantages too. Mainly, it has a large frontal area for a given airflow, and there are losses in turns between stages. Now, talking about the axial flow compressor, its advantages are pretty cool. It offers high peak efficiencies, a small frontal area for a given airflow, straight-through flow which allows high ram efficiency, and an increased pressure rise by increasing the number of stages with really negligible losses. On the flip side, the axial flow compressor's disadvantages are worth noting. It only gives good efficiencies over a narrow rotational speed range, it's difficult to manufacture and comes with a high cost, has relatively high weight, and requires high starting power. Though to be fair, that's partially overcome by split compressors.